choral sound poem. There's 3 registers. You'll notice the upper register is kind of standing over here. It will be along the top part of the video here. The lower registers, which will be along the bottom, are these for 5 people. These wonderful 5 people standing right here. And the mid register is will be over here. It's mostly a nonsense piece, but it's made from mistranslations of credit card offers of credit. So mistranslations by a computer. Doesn't matter. You'll like it, I think. I think you'll like it. These guys have performed this like maybe 3 times so far together. So so they're wonderful at this point. I also would like to invite any of you, if you're interested, if you feel the urge, you may come and read along with everyone else. So if you want to do that, you're feeling courageous, bold, whatnot, you're welcome to join our verbal, or just simply verbal. It's often the opposite of those things. You can join us and perform the piece. So you guys ready? Yeah. Yes. Ready? Ready? Okay.
Yeah.
require to say everybody's name just so you know who these people are. That's Amanda Ackerman, front left, Nate Schulman, Gerard Olson, John Rutzmoser. I just met you. Richard. He's great. He's great. Nancy Popp, Teira Johnson, Linda Lay, Harold Abramowitz, Kate Durbin, Janne Larsen, Adam Overton, who's shrugging, Jordan Biren, Tucker Neel, and Geneva Skeen.